Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your browser cache in Microsoft Edge. So let's have a look now. At first, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three horizontal dots to open the Settings menu. Scroll down in the menu and find Privacy, Charts and Services. Click on it to access various browsing data settings, including the option to clear browsing data. Under Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose what to clear. Here you can select the types of data you want to delete. Ensure Cached Images and Files is checked. Once you have selected the desired data to clear, click on Clear Now. Edge will start cleaning the cache. This process might take a few moments, depending on the amount of data. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.